nanga ibingira babimukangisha yaciye mu macumu yaka nkanswe utuntu tw'utwuma udukoroshi ufite umukunzi afungiye muri sona sibyo yega mfite umukunzi wanjye wisila rero nanjye ndi umwe mu bantu barimo bapanga kugira ngo umukunzi wawe tumucikishe ajye hanze ya gereza
No.
Oya ntago yacika. Ngafite umwavoka yamwe ngafite umwavoka. Umva yakubeshye. Oya ndamuzi rankunda. Umva humura uwo mukunzi wawe yakubeshye. Scofield yavuze ngo ugiye kungo ku umwavoka ni murumuna wanjye ugiye kumucikisha muri gereza. Ndetse nanjye bashimusa umwana wanjye kugira ngo tume dukurayo umukunzi wawe.
Listen. You need to talk to him.
Ahubwo ngene vuga na wisila wawe mwitone baka kuduhubukira mudutesha umutwe muduhe akanya dutekereza dutuje.
You need to talk to him.
Ngene vuga n'umukunzi wawe mwisotinge muganire wizanga kunyasa mbere ujye kumbwesha guraho. Toka. Imvuga hanga ni wimubwesha guraho niyo challenge bose bihaye.
Where to my friend?
Tugiye hehe?
For a statue, a monument.
Tugiye ahantu muri uyu mujyi hari igishushanyo haparika imodoka nyinshi. Sasa mugeze cyasha mujya a lot of cars. Bahise barihindura riba a lot of cars. Imodoka nyinshi nagari skazi y'inkovu ahubwo ni kazi y'imodoka.
The lady of the law.
Aho ndahaza ahantu hari igishushanyo muri uyu mujyi kiriho n'isaha ndaje makujyane. Amagambo yavuze munyeze na Sara basasunguye ukwabo bavana mandi magambo za nkovu nyinshi yabonaga zari imodoka nagari skazi ahubwo ni kazi. Bagabo n'abahanga kumbe yahari.
You don't have to watch your back. Make sure I don't have to watch mine. My head was a free ticket out of here.
Wagenze usaje kumwinjirira.
Did what they had to do.
Wa munsi atabara Michael hano bose myezi birazwi.
Science.
Byaje wamvanyeyo aho nari nihishe. Michael aramfasha mbaho.
When you'll need a friend in this place.
Ngeneye ko basi najya hanga nshaka inshuti muri igereza ngira umuntu mvugana n'ingwe inshuti yanjye.
Where you from?
Yasuturuka hehe?
Boardman, Ohio.
Vuga turuka muri Ohio.
Australia. Good fishing.
Navuga hava muri Australia.
Pass through.
Small world.
Rwose sini ikintu gitangaje abantu bakure yakure twongeye kandi guhurira ahantu hamwe.
What are you doing in Panama?
Mwe no munya Australia undi no munya Amerika.
I'm not really in the mood.
Ese akora gicanga muri Panama ndatumva ntabwo ni muri mood yo kuvuga.
You're that cop.
Ndakuzi.
You know, I was looking at that Schofield. I was trying to figure why it looks so bloody familiar.
Ati rwose yavuze muri Schofield nyango ndeko basi niye muzi byari byancanze none nahamenye.
Now hearing your voice.
Nawe ndakuzi niwe munyamakuru wavuze ndakuvuze umunyapolisi wa FBI wavuze kenshi cyane kwitangaza amakuru uhiga